I've got to start the car. Voltage drops off. The unit reboots from the beginning. And I found this diagram online which says use what I thought was a 4,700 microfarad capacitor. So I ordered something as close as I could, which was 4,400. But when I revisited, I actually saw the extra zero, 47,000. So these are the ones that are supposed to work. But I've bought these. I'm going to try them first before I go to the trouble with them. And what I've done, I've just used a chocolate block arrangement. So it's very easy just to swap the capacitors out. Unscrew the terminals, pull the capacitor out, put new ones in. I could even add another one on the end if I wanted to. So this is the setup. Capacitors in parallel. Bought the proper coloured wires, so it's a supply from the harness, supply to the unit, and the earth for the capacitors. Little diode to make sure the power reserve in here doesn't go the wrong way. Okay, we're back in the car. We've got our temporary wiring set up with the two 4,400 microfarad capacitors, and now we'll try the car. Suspense is killing me. Oh yes! Beauty! It's worked. So two 4,400 microfarad capacitors have done the job. I'm just going to try that again because I'm a bit surprised, to be honest. Let's get this back on. I don't know how long it takes for these capacitors to get the charge back up, but I'll try it now. She's on. She's still working. Well, I'm happy. That's it. I'm not going to put the big capacitors on anymore. This I'll either solder and heat shrink again, or actually I might just mount that on a board. Oh, that's just me. The wires come out. Might just mount that on a board, and yeah, put it underneath the dashboard out the way. Hope you found it all useful, and you're happy as me that it actually works in the end. Give us a thumbs up please if you did find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe.